What's going on, guys? Sean from B2R. Today's gonna be an exciting one. We're back at H2O Amphibious, and today officially we're getting back out on the water, and we're not just tuning one, but we're tuning 2 cars. It's gonna be a good video. I'm looking forward to it. Put a new bracket on the supercharger, so we're just making sure that's all right. We set the fuel pressure, so I mean it's close. We're gonna get this one just driving around a little bit on the streets, so that when we go on the water with the other car, the guys here can be driving this one around, getting some data logs for Javi, while Javi and I are out on the water tuning the other one.
We have the madman JaviTuned in the building.
Is it on slow motion right now?
It's not on slow motion. We're good. We're good.
We're gonna set timing now to see if that's what's gonna calm down the idle, because it's stumbling a lot, so it wasn't like this before.
Hey boys, you want any more? No. It's close.
Pretty good.
Now it sounds good.
What was the issue?
I guess it's in the fuel tables. I kept trying to fix it, and it finally got steady. I'm gonna lock it right now.
That's why Javi's the GOAT.
We got the first car running really smooth on the road. Javi, they've been driving it around. The owner drove it around as well too, very happy with it. So now we're gonna take the other car. We're gonna go somewhere in Jensen Beach. I'm not exactly sure where, but we're gonna go out on the water. It's gonna be my first time. They've taken it out a couple of times, but it's gonna be fun. Let's see.
Ready, Javi?
I'm nervous.
You nervous?
I don't want it to sink.
I don't think it's gonna do that. They got the GOAT in there. They can't sink it. You excited for this, Sean?
I'm excited.
To see it on water?
A lot of you guys that don't know me, I'm a little bit of a chicken. I'm a very conservative dude, so I'm gonna let them go out first. I'm gonna let them get the maps on the ECU and all that, and then I'm gonna go out for a little joyride at the end. But I don't want to go out there first. We're about to hit the water. Let's see how this thing transforms. Oh, that is the weirdest thing.
That is the weirdest thing. I'll fall in there.
Weird.
Weird?
Yeah, it was definitely weird. I think we're gonna go on the road because it won't go over 4,000 RPM, 4,100.
Oh, wow.
Everything looks good. It's like if it's just cruising there, stuck there. It's just really weird. So on the road, we're gonna see if it does it still. I don't know. It's kind of weird.
I want to have the jet drive on this one. We're gonna have to when you take the other one on the water. That's probably gonna tell us the difference because they had changed the jet drive. And
Correct.
he was saying he thinks the pump is too big or something like that.
It feels like the engine doesn't have enough power to spin that. It's just stuck at 4,000.
But it's not a limiter or nothing like that.
No,
It's just
everything is good.
like
I got 100 RPMs more by adding 3 degrees more of timing, but I didn't want to do that.
So it's definitely a low power thing. It sounds like.
It gets like 5 psi. So it definitely has power. I just think that the pump is too much for the engine, like the gear ratio, propeller, whatever.
Have some different ratio and stuff like that. So it may be too much in the other direction. When we get the other car out, I guess we'll see. Because the other car has a jet drive that was able to get up on plane with the naturally aspirated setup.
Okay.
The stock H2O motor.
I'm gonna have you go pick up the other car right now.
Oh, okay.
While we're out here.
Yeah, because that'd be a perfect comparison. And that one's, I'm still not on the water yet, but as you see, they're out there having fun. First car went out there, made it back safe. They got a lot of driving, a couple little things they got to clean up on there to make it perfect on the water. This one actually has a different jet drive, so they're testing this one to see basically how much power it's going to take to go up on plane. So hopefully we can get a good shot of it up on plane. So you got to travel a certain distance off, you know, Coast Guard stuff. I'm not too familiar with it all, but you got yellow, you got green and you got red indicators, and they got to be past these points before they can actually try to pick up any speed. So they realistically have to go out pretty far before they're able to actually just nail the throttle. Because there's a lot of speed zones in here. All right, yes, I'd say it's a pretty successful day. Both cars made it out on water. Both cars drove around for quite a bit. You know, a little bit of fine tuning. Obviously the tune is a lot different on the water because there's a lot more load on it with the jet drive versus on the road. That took quite a bit of pulls driving around out there. Water's actually pretty calm today, so that was pretty good. Pretty much gonna call it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. We'll be out again soon, as always, because you know we're supplying the motor on every single one of these, so I'm gonna basically be coming along on each one of these that are built. So I'll see you guys again soon.